What's up, tech fans? Google is officially stepping into the big leagues again with the all-new Pixel 10 Pro XL, and yes, we now have the full specs, features, and even the expected release timeline confirmed. Is this Google's smartest phone ever? Let's dive in. Google is expected to unveil the Pixel 10 Pro XL at its Made by Google event in October 2025, with sales beginning shortly after. That means we're just months away from what could be Google's most powerful Pixel to date. Under the hood, the Pixel 10 Pro XL runs on Google's Tensor G5 chip, manufactured on a 3nm process by TSMC. This means better power efficiency, faster AI processing, and major gains in thermal management. No more overheating during video recording or gaming. The Pixel 10 Pro XL features a 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and QHD+ resolution. Expect buttery smooth scrolling, brilliant HDR colors, and outdoor brightness that challenges even Samsung and Apple's flagships. Now, the real star, the camera system. We're looking at a 50 megapixels main sensor, a 48 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 48 megapixels periscope telephoto with 6x optical zoom. And of course, all of this is powered by Google's AI smarts, from advanced night sight to next-gen Magic Eraser, video boost, and real-time scene optimization. Battery life is getting a boost too, with a 5200 mAh battery, 45W wired charging, and reverse wireless charging finally making its way to the Pixel series. This phone is also the launchpad for Android 15 and comes packed with new on-device AI features. Light bulb, design and build 220. Design-wise, the Pixel 10 Pro XL sticks to the iconic horizontal camera bar, but it's thinner and sleeker than ever. It uses a matte glass back, polished aluminum sides, and IP68 water resistance. Color options will include obsidian black, porcelain white, and a rumored sky blue. As for pricing, the Pixel 10 Pro XL is expected to start at $1,099, making it a direct competitor to the iPhone 17 Pro Max and Galaxy S26 Ultra. The Pixel 10 Pro XL is shaping up to be the best Pixel phone ever, premium design, flagship performance, and arguably the smartest smartphone camera on the market. If you've ever wanted the Pixel experience without compromises, this might finally be it. Smash that like button if you're hyped for Google's AI powerhouse. Hit subscribe so you don't miss our hands-on review coming this fall. And tap the bell icon to stay ahead of the curve on all things Pixel 10 and Android 15.